Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can feed the giant and level up your friendship to unlock new items and grow a garden new update. Okay, let's get into it guys. After the beanstalk has grown, you can go to the top of the beanstalk and then you can meet the giant here. Okay, click on talk, and then if you want to feed the giant, you can click on how do I become friends. Okay, and then you can feed the giant with the food you have cooked up. Okay, and I have already cooked pizza, so I'm going to go to my inventory and click on this icon, the food icon, the food items, and this is the pizza I have just cooked up, and I'm going to feed this pizza to the giant. Tap and hold on the feed button. Okay, and after you feed the giant, you will gain points and it will level up your friendship. And then you will unlock the new items. I'm going to go to the shop. Okay, and then go to the friendship shop. Okay, and you will unlock the new items, guys. As you can see, for the sped shard giant bean, it needs level 5. Okay, and you need to unlock it. All right, and if you want to cook, guys, make sure that you have cooking cauldron on your garden. You can unlock the cooking kit by completing the common achievements. Just go to your garden guide and then you can complete the achievement here. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.